Want to make your iPhone home screen look aesthetic and customized? With the help of the Mycons app, you can. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Mycons. Now let's get started. You can download the Mycons app for free from the App Store. With the Mycons app, you can purchase pre-made stylish app icons from their marketplace, or use the Icon Studio to design your own for free. To start creating your own icons, tap Icon Studio at the bottom. With the free version of Mycons, you can only use a solid color background. To choose the color of your icon, tap the color wheel under Background Color. Then you can use the color grid, spectrum, or sliders to pick the exact background shade you want to use. Next, scroll down and select Symbol. Tap the default symbol that appears to change it. Then scroll through the hundreds of icon options to find the one you want to use, or type in the search bar at the top to find something specific. Once you've chosen your symbol, select where you want it to be anchored on your icon. By default, it will be centered, but you can choose to have it at any of the four corners instead if you like. If you scroll down more, you can adjust the symbol transparency and size using the sliders towards the bottom of your screen. When you're finished and happy with how your icon looks, tap Export in the top right corner to save it. The icon will be saved to your device's camera roll. Repeat these steps to make and save all the icons you want for your home screen. When you're done designing all your icons, you can add them to your home screen with the Shortcuts app. Open Shortcuts, then tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Tap Add Action. In the search bar at the top, type in Open App. Select Open App when it appears below. Then tap Choose. Select the app you want this shortcut to open. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. Type in a name for your shortcut. Then tap Add to Home Screen. Type in the text you want displayed below the app icon. Then tap the default app icon on the left. In the menu that appears, tap Choose Photo. Tap the icon you designed that you'd like to use for this shortcut. In the bottom right corner, tap Choose. In the top right corner, tap Add. Then tap Done. Repeat these steps to create all the custom app icons you want on your home screen. When you're all done, you'll have an amazing custom-designed iPhone home screen. That does it for our guide to using the Mycons Icon Studio. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.